Hi everyone, today we're going to present our final project in Net 313 Advanced Networking. The project title is Advanced Network Architecture with DHCP and EIGRP Optimization. And the objective is to design, implement, and optimize a network that integrates DHCP and EIGRP, analyze its performance, and propose enhancements to ensure scalability, redundancy, and security. We will also evaluate the network's effectiveness based on predefined business needs. Throughout the video, we will explain to you our company, network design, configurations, and testing results. But before that, we're going to introduce ourselves to you. My name is Jolan Boyonas, and I'm the one who will explain for our company and network design. Configurations by Wesley Tolentino and testing results will discussed by Jeffster Montales. And we are from BSIT 3G. Let's get started. The platform we choose is an e-commerce platform, namely Pinoy Cart. It's a business company that offers online sales operations, provides buyer products such as electronic devices, clothes, home essentials, and etc. Our company operates three sites. For for the main branch, we have the central office, second branch is warehouse facility, and for the last one is the customer support center. Before implementing the network design, it is important to identify the business networking requirements that will guide the architecture and ensure seamless communication across all branches. First one is reliable inter-branch connectivity. To facilitate, to facilitate communication between all branches using one connections, these links will support data exchange and centralized services access and coordinated business operations across all locations. Next, we have stable local connectivity. Using local area network for internal resource sharing, including PCs, server, and other devices to enable efficient internal communication and resource sharing. Next, a centralized IP management will be deployed to automate address assignment. This ensures efficient IP management, reduces configuration errors, and support easier scalability as additional devices are integrated into the network. Next, dynamic routing. Implementing EIGRP for a flexible and high-performing routing in each location. This enables flexible, resilient routing between all organizational sites. Next, network scalability. To allow for future growth devices in each location, proper subnet allocation ensures optimal device distribution and avoids address exhaustion as each location grows. Lastly, testing and failover. Verify network connectivity, simulate failures, and measure performance for reliability. Failover simulations will be performed to analyze network resilience, validate redundancy mechanism, and guarantee continuous business operation during outages or infrastructure failure. For the network designs in the main branch central office, we use one router, one switch, six PCs, two laptops, and one server. Next, for warehouse branch, one router, one switch, three PCs, and two laptops. And for the last branch, one router, one switch, three PC, and three laptops. For connecting each devices, we use straight-through cables, router to switch, and switch to PCs or server. For the one we use serial cables connecting Pinoy Cart Central Office Serial 0/3/0 to warehouse router and Pinoy Cart Central Office Serial 0/3/1 to customer service router. After that, for configuring all devices will be analyzed by Wesley Tolentino. Thank you.
Moving on from the networking design, we proceed with configuring all router devices across the central office, warehouse facility, and customer service branch. We began by setting the host name and applying the basic configuration for each router, followed by configuring the Ethernet interface for the LAN and the serial interface for the WAN connection. For the central office router, the LAN IP address was set to 192.168.10. 1 with a subnet mask of 255.255.255.0, while the WAN connection use the 10.10.10.1 for serial 0/30 and 10.20.10.1 for serial 0/3/1. The and for the warehouse router was configured with 9 192.168.11.1 with the subnet mask of 255.255.255.0 for its LAN connection and 10.10.2 for its serial 0/3/0 WAN connection. Meanwhile, the customer service router, we use 192.168.12.1 with a subnet mask of 255.255.255.0 for the LAN connection and 10.20.10.2 for serial 0/3/1 on the WAN connection. After completing the router setup, we configured all switches by assigning host names and setting VLAN 1 IP addresses. We then enable DHCP on the Pinoy Cart Central Office router to automatically assign IP addresses for the central office, warehouse, and customer service network to all PCs and laptops were configured to obtain IP dynamically via DHCP. Next, we implemented EIGRP across all routers to enable routing and ensure full connectivity between all branches. This step complete the configuration portion of the project, and testing and verification will be discussed by Jester Montales. Thank you for listening.
Thank you for that, Wesley. Following that, next is to advanced testing and analysis. First one is to simulate and test the network under normal and failure scenarios. For all branches, we verify the route to warehouse if it's removed or updated. Next is to check EIGRP neighbors. Restore the router. Simulate link failure. Check the EIGRP topology to confirm configurants if the traffic for warehouse is removed. Reconnect the link to verify if the original routes are restored. After all of that, next is to validate the HCP functionality. At all locations, verify the HCP on client, PCs, and renew IP addresses. Next, we test EIGRP configurants and failover effectiveness. Verify ERGIP neighbor relationships. Test ERGRP failures. Failover. Reconnect the links. And lastly, analyze network performance under different traffic loads. Simulate high traffic using pings by sending pings between locations. Switch to simulation. Test network latency to perform trace route. Thank you for listening. Have a good day.
Ilan yung minutes,
Bye.
me?